how to scan directly from your Brother printer to Google Drive. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and I'm going to jump right into the video. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. If you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. So you want to scan a document from your printer, your Brother printer, to Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to do that here in this video. So you're going to utilize, of course, your either glass scanner, and later on in the video, I'll show you how to use your ADF scanner as well with this method. So we're going to go and click scan on your Brother printer, click web. We're going to click OK, and we're going to proceed through this process. Click the right arrow once again, and you're going to click on connect to Google Drive. You're going to click that right arrow again, and you're going to go to this website. It's bwc.brother.com, and that is where you're going to get a code. So you need to put in your country, your language, and your printer model, the specific printer model that pertains to you. Once you've inputted that information, you then will click next, and you will click connect to Google Drive. You're going to agree to the terms of service, and this is where you can actually sign into your Google account. And at the end of this, you're going to end up getting a temporary ID. Go back to scan on your printer, click on connect to Google Drive, and at this point, it's going to allow you now to register with that 11-digit number. You're going to input this number, and once you've inputted this number, you're going to go to the next step, which is then setting up on the printer the file system or the file name that you're going to use for this Google Drive account. I'm going to name it Best Printers. I'm going to say yes to both of those questions, and yes again for registering. And now I am able to upload a PDF directly to Google Drive from my Brother printer. Every time you go to do this, you're going to go down to the bottom of scan settings, click OK, and you are going to be able to then set your document and click yes or the right arrow. The right arrow is something you're going to use probably 100 times in this process, but once you are done scanning, once the printer is done scanning, it should show up in a specific folder on your Google Drive account. All right, so next I will show you how to use your automatic document feeder. Of course, if you wanted to scan multiple pages to your Google Drive folder. And now we're gonna go click scan, we're gonna click web, and this is where we're going to select our specific Google Drive folder, connect to Google Drive, and click on Best Printers, which is the name I have named. Of course, yours is going to be customized. Now, there are different file types you can scan into your Google Drive. I'm going to use PDF. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to move forward and click OK with the right arrow once again for the last time, hopefully. And this is going to scan, and if you had multiple pages, it would scan multiple pages. I ended up doing multiple pages after this shot, and what I ended up getting in my Google Drive was two different documents, a single document that I had scanned from the glass scanner, and then this multi-document, which is actually double-sided as well. I was able to go into the settings and adjust all of that. So those are some things that you can do. There's some customization you can add here, but I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.